Hi, welcome to Cubing Master. I'm AK. Today we'll be continuing how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Last time we stopped at the white side. Now we'll solve the second layer. So the next step is to do the second layer. So last time we stopped at the white side. And just a reminder, it should look like this. So let's get started. So first we need to find a edge that has no yellow piece in it. So this has a yellow, this doesn't. So this color here is red, so we match it up with the centerpiece here. So we want this edge to go down here. So first we move it away. This is a new algorithm, the left algorithm. Up, right, down, left. And then we move it this side and we do the right algorithm. And then the edge is here. So look at another edge that has no yellow here. The color is orange, match it up with the centerpiece. And then this time we need to go this side. So you move it away. We do the right algorithm first now. And then the left algorithm, up, right, down, left. And then the edge is down there. Now let's find another one here. Color is green. Match it up with the centerpiece. Here again, the edge needs to go here. So we move it away, the right algorithm, and then move it like this, the left algorithm, up, right, down, left. And here's another one. It's all lined up. We need to move it here, so we move it away, left algorithm, move it here, and then the right algorithm. And when there's no edges left that has no yellow in them, the whole second layer is solved. After we're done the second layer, we need to do the yellow cross. So some people have like a L shape kind of thing and a yellow line here, and like the white yellow cross is all dissolved. So we're doing like the L shape. So first we turn it like this. And then we do the right algorithm 2 times, and then turn it back, and then we do the white yellow cross. So if it's like this, one yellow corner is already there and 3 are not. So first we bring this corner in the down left side, and first we do the right algorithm, move this 2 times like this, up, and then the opposite side, and then back down. If it still didn't do it, then bring it back to your down left side and do the same thing. Right algorithm, 2 times like this, up, 2 times like this, and down. After we've done the yellow side, we need to solve the headlights. Headlights are like these. So like the colors of the centerpiece and another color here. So we have all of them are headlights. So first we face any, and then we rotate it twice, and then you put the color of the color here, so here, and then turn it, and both of the sides down, rotate it twice again, up, and then turn it here, and then back down 2 times, and one side is solved, and all of the 3 are headlights. So we do the exact same thing. First we put this side in the back, and then we do the exact same thing, rotate it twice. We got the color of the centerpiece, and then you put both the sides down, rotate twice again, up, and then the cube is solved. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and please vote on the outro in the comments below. Bye.